This is the brief on the Drone Aerial Photo Mapper, or DAPM. It's a lightweight Python tool that solves the headache of sorting through thousands of randomly named drone photos by turning those folders into an interactive, data-rich web map. Right now, your typical drone photo directory is kind of like a digital junk drawer, but DAPM instantly transforms it into a clear, visual flight path. First, let's talk about the heavy lifting. The script recursively scans your folders to extract standard EXF data, like GPS coordinates and timestamps, plus deeper XMP metadata, like gimbal pitch and flight yaw. It then builds all this into a static GeoJSON database. It's literally like pulling the black box data out of every single JPEG. Second, the interactive visualization. The tool generates a standalone index.html file. The map markers are dynamically colored based on altitude using a terrain color map that shifts from brown to white. You also get a time slice filter slider that lets you filter by timestamp to essentially replay a mission. And if you click any marker, a pop-up reveals the image's full metadata and local file path. So what does this actually mean for your workflow? Finally, we have selection and export. You use the Select by Rectangle tool to draw a bounding box right over an area, capture the visible markers, and instantly export that targeted metadata straight into a CSV file. Best of all, it's completely open source with a CC 1.0 license and runs locally without needing a server. Ultimately, DAPM takes the chaos of scattered drone imagery and instantly maps the where and when of your missions into an actionable offline dashboard. Now, stop guessing where your photos belong and go start mapping your next mission with absolute precision.